What's up everybody? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add StableChain into MetaMask wallet. StableChain could be a next hype chain and there's a lot of this happening. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that, how to add into MetaMask wallet. And it's going to be pretty much almost exactly the same process if you're doing it on the desktop or on a mobile version. So first thing we need to do, we need to their homepage, stable.xyz. And in here, we just need to click on docs. Then this page is going to appear. And right here, we just can search for MetaMask, or I'm going to leave this link in the description below. Also, all the information that you will need to add also going to be in the description below. And then there is another way to connect your MetaMask wallet automatically. So just scroll down, connect your wallet into StableChain website. And right here, you'll see an option, add stable mainnet. Once you press on it, this is going to appear. And right here, if you just press on confirm, it's going to add automatically StableChain to MetaMask wallet. But for this video tutorial, we're going to do manually. But this is another way to do it. First, you'll have to connect your wallet and then just add stable mainnet, and that's it. Confirm, and you'll have chain added to MetaMask wallet. This is just another quick way. So open up your MetaMask, and in here, we need to press on hamburger menu, and we need to add new chain. So let me split the screen or switch to the side panel, hamburger menu, and then networks, and then add a custom network. And that's it. We just need to copy and paste this information here. Once you have everything copied, right here, we can just press on save, and that's it. Now we need to go back, and then in here, we need to press on default networks, and then we need to scroll down and find stable mainnet, press on that, and that's it. That's gonna switch over, and the default token is USDT 0 or O. This is what's used for gas fees. And this is pretty much it. That's how you add StableChain to MetaMask wallet. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.